Okay, this is the walk around of my bus that somebody wanted. So first thing, put links on almost everything in the description. If you see something you want to know about, let me know. Spare tire is from a 2023 Jetta. It is a regular donut. My cover did fit it. Headlights are from Bus Depot, H3 upgrades, clear turn signal lenses. Wheels are heritage wheels from a 2016 Beetle that flooded here. You do have to get the center bores opened up to 67 to 70 millimeters to fit over the hubs. Let's see. Mirrors, deluxe Brazilian mirrors, also from Bus Depot. Interior is so-faring. Light bar was from Amazon, discontinued. License plate, light, and camera that I added. They are all on just a piece of aluminum flat stock. Nothing special here. Dual battery solenoid, fuse going to that battery, fuse on that battery. Fuse holders are from Amazon. Replace the fuses though, because the fuses are complete garbage. Nothing special, bunch of wiring I need to tidy up. I do have a trailer light converter over here, which does have an extra plug for trailer lights, but also goes to this full time. ARB awning brackets from GoPro. They are not drilled in, and they're just fine. It's been like this for almost 3 years now. Okay, so fine interior. I've already got this flipped up. So what I do have back here, when on shore power, it's just a converter, keeps my house battery charged. Secondary fuse box, 12 volt sockets, just from O'Reilly or Walmart or something. There is another 110 volt outlet down there that is powered off the stock one. Have another one in here, back here as well, just so give me more than one outlet. The sink is just a cabinet, just holds junk. See, I didn't clean up for the video or anything. Stock bed up there, stock tent. Tent is also from Bus Depot. It's hard to tell in the video. The lower strip of lights were black lights. They're almost white now. Those are white. Have Govee lights that go around the top from about midway all the way around to the back there for just colors. We got 4 speakers back here. I have an amp somewhere. I forgot where I have 1 amp back here somewhere that does the 10-inch sub that is in the cabinet. I've got another amp. They're both Class D amps. I got another one back here that does the fronts, and those back there for my mids and highs. Dash cam, Florida Sun Pass, which works basically everywhere in the country now, which is great. Well, everywhere I go anyway. Seat belts, I do not remember where I got them, but they are retro belt. Floors from Home Depot. 1 box did the entire thing with 2 pieces left over if you cut it right. Soundbar, because you cannot hear a TV in here when you're parked. I don't know why, I just can't hear this TV. Had another one, couldn't hear it either. Soundbar is great. Fridge actually came out of the outdoor kitchen on my travel trailer, so couldn't tell you where to buy one, but it works great for when camping. A bunch of other miscellaneous stuff I just have in here. Oops. Okay. So, door panels, green, Bus Depot. Radio, Android unit from Amazon. Has CarPlay, if I can remember how to operate it. I mean, it has all the regular apps. I mean, you want to watch Netflix while you drive, YouTube, whatever. It's great. Love it. Stock gauge on this side. That is a Smith speedometer with electronic odometer in it. GPS unit is mounted. The cable one would not cooperate, so it is on a GPS unit I have linked. Smith's tachometer. Both these are from CIP1. Light bar control. Just another regular 12-volt outlet from Walmart or whatever. What? Oh, good Lord, that's worth shooting in the video. Too bad I can't zoom. Glad they decided to fly over right now. That's kind of cool. Alright, but back to my video. Dash cam, I just put that in today. Time will tell if I like it or not. I'm putting in a hardwire kit right now. It just plugs in, so I'll just kill it. So the console, Vanagon Life console slash lockbox. Sorry, I can't make it much brighter in here, but yes, very sturdy, well worth it. Gives me cup holders. I did run a USB cable. There's a port there that this lightning cable plugs into, goes through under the mat, plugs into the back of the radio. Previous one, here's another one. Previous one plugged in the front, so I really like this radio better. This radio also has its own GPS sender, has its own USB port. GPS sender I just have in the glove box. Is what it is. What else do I have to look at here? Okay, light bar. Light bar brackets like the center console are from Vanagon Life. So, underglow kit. I have the full kit plus the wheel well kit. What I do not like about the wheel well kit is how you have to mount to where the LEDs face out instead of down up here. Because if you mount up facing down, you have screws where you might hit your hand. So yeah, that's basically everything. If you got any questions on anything else, just ask away in the comments.